Okay, this is spectrograph. We had selected SDRplay under the receiver menu, and we hit start, and we had the SDRplay to RSS interface window, and we have all the settings that we have checked before, and particularly this one is decimal 0.15. That's the final gain stage, and this offset up here has to be 42, and it's running some for Radio Jove. We use decimal 1.5. This just simply is the size that it ends up being, so that's variable. If you make any changes down here, it's best to stop the integration and restart it. So we're going to start the spectrograph, and this is probably something similar to what you're seeing, just a black screen. But we can start pulling over the color offset in steps, and eventually we'll start seeing some signals pop up here. If we go all the way over to 0, you see a brighter color, and we can then back it off some so we get it to look right. And one easy way to do that is to put your cursor over here somewhere and just tap on the mouse, and that will bring it up to about 500. Will be pretty good. And now we have a pretty dark blue background and some nice signals showing up. Gain of 2 or 3, something like that will work pretty well. Another thing you can do is just right mouse click on the color offset, and this window pops up, so you can actually go in there and use your keyboard and type that number in, or any number. Let's go to 450 for example, and hit enter, and now it's set at 450. So there's a couple of ways you can get this offset configured. And now you see you have a nice dark blue background. Some of the strong signals are red, and some are white. It just shows you the different intensities of the signals. These vertical lines, the reason I have so many vertical lines is that we have a thunderstorm in progress here, and these are lightning strikes that are causing that. So that's the way you set it up. If all of these numbers are like this, and everything is working, one thing that is necessary under options, file savings, data directory, you want to make sure that's going to C, your C drive, users, public documents, spectrograph, data. If you don't have this, if you don't have a proper a place for the file to go, then it's not going to work right for you. It may not even start. So just double check the data directory under options, file saving, data directory. Make sure that's C, users, public documents, spectrograph, data, and then it should work like this or something like that. It depends. It'll be different depending on the signals that you're receiving at your location. This is for an SDRplay 2, RSP2. If you have a 1, then we may need to reinstall that in a little different way to get it to work for you. So, hope that's helpful.